Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my channel. And now we starting the tutorial for the problem 1 for module 6. This is the differential equation. And the differential equation is maybe in the module 5 we have uh, the integral module in 5 in module 5. Okay, 5. Then we know in differential. This is the calculus, right? Integral, then differential. The basic of the concept, basic concept of this module is maybe quite same with the previous module in the integral, uh, but we change a little bit, maybe the equation just for the equation for that. Okay. Now we jump into the equation. This is the formula for differential, right? Differential formula. This is the differential formula, as you know. Okay, and in this module we have two method, uh, the Euler and Runge-Kutta. Euler method is the simple one, then the Runge-Kutta is the more a little bit complex one. Okay, now we jump into the Euler, Euler. Sorry for my accent. Uh, this is the Euler equation. Euler equation. Equation. This is the Euler equation. In this Euler, we have y. The y is like in the graph, plot in the plot. Oh, by the way, we in this module we also make the plot for the calculation. The plot is basic plot, just the x and the y, like this. Then we have the function like this. Then we calculate the equation. We predict the equation. Now we have x0. X0 is the starting x. Then we have the xn. Xn is the final x. Then we have n interval. n is n is the interval, the n interval, and the oh n is the number of interval, right? N is number interval. Maybe I can write in this number of interval, number of steps like that. Number of step. We use it in loop for, as always. Then we have h is the interval. This is the interval. Interval. Interval is h. Then we have y0 is the starting y. Then we have the 0 and blah blah blah. Like this. Okay, maybe we next into the next method. This is maybe clear. And this is the Runge-Kutta. Runge-Kutta, a little bit complex than the Euler, but not too complex. we have this is the equation, the Runge-Kutta equation. Runge-Kutta equation. Runge-Kutta equation. Then in this K1, K2, K3, K4, we substitute it with this Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Okay. This is maybe a little bit complex, but you just have to write it, not change anything on it. Just write it, right? As always. This is quite same as the Euler. This is the y. This is h. This is y. Okay. And in the key equation, we have the x and y, the h. Uh, Maybe quite simple. Oh, this is key one. Key one is the previous key. This key two, this key one, this key three, this uh reverse. Yes, flashback like that. Just read like this. Maybe to more clear, uh, we explain it in the code two after this. Okay. Okay. Now we have the algorithm for the Euler. This is we start. Then this is the initiation, defining variables. Okay, defining variables. Then next we have this is the end. How many loop for our loop? This is the loop. This is the loop. This is the loop. Then we inside the loop we put the this is the Euler equation on it. Euler e- equation. This is the Euler equation. Then the uh x is just spread like this. This is just maybe updating the x. The x is as always we update the value of x, right? Okay, this is the loop. Then if we end with the loop, then we plot the result. Plot the result in x and y like this. Then we stop. Okay. Now we in Rungakuta. The Rungakuta is quite same. This is the defin defining the variables. Then this is also defining. Then this is deter determine the end. Then this is the loop. This is the Rungakuta equation. Rungakuta Rungakuta equation. This is the Rungakuta equation. Just write like this. Then we also plot this. Okay, quite safe. Okay, this is for the illustration for the Euler method. This is excuse me. This is we have the function. This is the x. This is the y. We have the function like this function. Then we calculate the function in in like uh, in estimating. We estimate the this area like in the integral. Then the formula have we calculate like this. Then we still have the error in this the white area. Now this is the error. Of course, if we use the Runge-Kutta method, the error is more little than the Euler, like that. That's the visualization for the this module. Now we jump into the problem one. The problem one, sorry for this. Maybe I press it until clear. Okay, enough. We calculate the y for this the x x10. This is the x result, the final x. Then so okay, this is the equation. Then we calculate use the Euler and Runge-Kutta method, and this is the maybe starting x, the starting x. Then this is the value of starting x. This zero inside the bracket is the x, right? In the x we have zero this, then we put the zero into this into the bracket, and if we put the x on this, then we have the y value is 1, right? The end, this is the interval, the h. Maybe we jump into the code. This is the code. This is the x0 is the starting x, starting x is 0. Then we have 10. 10 is this. This is the final, the final, final x. Okay. This is the starting x. Mm. This is the final x, final x. Then we have the y0 is 1. What is the y0? Y0 is this. Hmm. Okay, y0 is 1. The starting y, starting y. Then we have the h. H is the interval, interval. Then we have the n is the number of loop, number of mm, number of step, yes, number of step in loop. Um, we define it with n. Then we have this. This is the x bracket 1 is meaning this is the array like in the DPK. If you still remember, we have if we define it, if we want to define array, we add the bracket, and then we have to add inside the bracket the number of yes, the number, the yes, the number, just the number. This is the number one, meaning this is the starting, right? The starting x. The starting x, we define it with x0. This is the x0. Then this is the starting y, we define it with y0, right? Uh, in we now jump into for loop. Now in for loop, we adding the next x and next y. What do I mean? The we also calculate the x2, then x3, etc. And the y also y2, etc. etc. Right? Then we jump into the for group 4. This is the n. Then this is the increment of x. As always, the x is always in always have a new value, and this is the y I e y e I. Then in this is the Euler equation. If we refers to the Euler equation, okay, and this is the Euler equation. This is inside the square box. This is okay. This is the Euler equation, and in this Euler equation we have function dx dy. What is function dx dy? I use the subroutine for this. Is sub the subroutine is here. This is if you uh, look if you and in ChatGPT usually we have the function is read like this: add blah 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 x y, uh, usually like this, and then blah 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 in the one in ChatGPT. But I now use the subroutine for this. Then we jump into the subroutine. Okay, this is my subroutine dx. Then this is the equation in problem. Equation in problem. What do I mean in the problem? Okay, we first into the problem below. This is the equation for problem. Equation. Okay, we just put this uh, 1 plus 4x then square root y into the function, right? We back into the function like this. This is the function. Just write like this, okay? And then we n for, then we display the result, then we plotting. We plot the value of x and y. Uh, Maybe I run it. Oh, excuse me. We run it. Okay. This is the plot. The plot is like this. This is the x value and this is the y value. And if we look into the command window, then this is the result. Okay. Then we jump into the Rungakuta. The Rungakuta is quite same with the Euler. This is the same. The same we have x0, then xn, y0, h, and this is the starting x, this is the starting y for array. This is array also. Then the difference is this. Uh, we use the Rungakuta equation formula equation question. This is the key 1 until key 4, like in the module. Okay. Up. This the K, and the K is we put the K into the, and this is also the equation. This is the that equation. This we have Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, right? And this is the increment of X as always. Just write like this. Then we uh, print the result this, then we do plot on this. Maybe I run it like this, and it's quite some with the Euler result, right? And we jump to command window. This quite same. Okay, this is the question for problem one. Down. Okay, sorry, there is a correction for the code for the Euler code and Rungakuta. Don't forget to add the format long after CLC. Uh, our output gonna be format long. In Rungakuta also format long. Then in Rungakuta in the key for uh, this h is not divided by 2, right? Uh, this is not divided by 2. If the if we see in key 2 and key 3, there is divided by 2, the h. Okay, that's the correction for my code. Okay, this is the problem one. And the problem two, sorry for the dirty module. Uh, Maybe we use the this sign. This is the K. This is the Ca0. The Ca is the concentration for A. Concentration for A. This concentration for A. 0 is the starting. Then we start the concentration with 0 mole. Okay. This is the volume. Then this is the concentration A in is this we have the diagram. This is the concentration of A in maybe we use the terms of uh, just in it's very difficult. Just in the concentration of A in uh, the concentration, the starting concentration is 0 in this on the reactor, 0. Then put the we flow the uh, liquid into the reactor. The liquid has the concentration of A. That's concentration A in masuk, masuk in. Then we have the key is the debit. This is the yes, the key debit is the dVr per dt. The Vr is the liquid volume, and the difference of liquid volume in terms of time is the debit, right? Uh, just look at this equation. We um, Then we have the equation for the problem. This is the equation. Then this is uh, the problem. Uh, we have to determine the f, the function of t and ca with the Euler and Runge-Kutta, and we determine the mole, the number of mole A or Na equals Vr Ca, and this is the different. Yes, this is the mole. the mall. And this reaction run in 100 second. This is the second 100 second. And this 100 second, we start from zero second, 0 second into 100 second. Then this zero is the x zero, uh, x zero. Then the 100 is x10. This is the h, the delta t, the increment. Then yes, we have to make the plot for NE and T. The plot is like this. This is the time. This is the mole of A. Then this the time, uh, from 0 to 100. 0 to 100. The time from this is 0 and then this is 100. 0, 100. Use the Euler and Runge-Kutta. The concept is like in the problem one, we just have to put the value into the equation, then we calculate the equation just like in the problem one. Okay, maybe you have to understand this sentence, this paragraph, because in this paragraph we have a lot of information what the plot gonna be and etc etc. Okay, that's for the problem 2, and we end the tutorial for module 6, the differential equation. Thank you for watching. Keep spirit. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.